Okay, coming to time series, there are three different methods that we have in time series. First is the method of semi-averages. Of course, there are definitions on seasonal trends, regular trends, irregular trends, and all those. I request you all to look into those definitions. Time series is not just semi-averages, moving averages, 3 year and 5 year. There are some basic definitions which you ought to look into for the components of time series. I'm talking about the methods or the ways in which time series, I mean, usually you assess a company's stocks or anything, you based on some methods. One of such method is semi-averages. Suppose if I have a problem on semi-averages like this, I'm being given year and sales of a company. Okay. So if I'm talking about semi-averages, what I will do is I'll divide the whole data into two halves. Okay. So what I will do is how many values are there? In total, 10 values are there. So what I will do, I'll split one half from 91 to 95, the other half from 96 to 2000. Take their average. That is what 242 plus 250 plus 252 plus 249 plus 253 by 5 is what I will take. Okay, 255, 251, 257, 260 and 265. I'll take the average of them. Okay. So what I will do is I will calculate these values and accordingly I will plot. What I will do is the actual values, whatever are there, how I will plot the line, just see here. I'll take all the years towards this side. 91, 92, 93. Like this, I will take towards this side. And depending on the least value and highest value, I'll be taking these values. What I have is, it starts from 242. So probably I can take from 240, 250, 260 like that. Okay. So for 91, the value is 242. So somewhere here it would be 92, it is 250. So somewhere here it would be. For 93, it is 252. So somewhere here it would be. I'll be plotting this line. Take care. I'll be plotting like this. Now coming to the average. Once I take the average, there'll be 2 points, something like this and like this. Okay. So the first value, what I will do with the first value is, I'll plot the first value in between these 5 values. Okay. Suppose 93, 94, 95. Exactly at 93, I'll plot the first value. Okay, not this one. I'll be plotting the first average. The second average, 93, 94, 95. This is 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000, right? So from 96 to here, exactly here, I'll be plotting the next value. I'll just erase the tentative or the rough things. Okay, so I'll plot exactly at the center and I'll just join this line. Okay, something like this I will have. And accordingly, I'll notate that this is the trend line and this is the actual line. Of course, actual line will have ups and downs. I've just plotted the tentative one, extend it towards its left and towards its right. Okay, yeah, like that I will do it. Yeah, the doubt would be like, what if I have here I have even number of values, so I have split. What if I don't have this one, 2000? If I don't have, what's it that I will do? You ought to know about it. Okay, I'll just show you what to do about. If I have only this many values, then what I will do, I have odd number of values. So what I'll do, 1 2 3 4, I will take the 4 values. 1 2 3 4, I will take this 4 values. Leave the middle value. Just circle it so that the examiner is aware that you left the middle value only and not some last value. Okay, now I'll take the average. Average would be by 4 because only 4 values are there. Same funda I will follow. Okay, this 250, 2 55, this last value I've skipped off. That's the reason I had only. Okay. So like this, I will calculate and things will follow. What I will do here, what I'm stressing upon is leave the middle value, not some right lower end or upper end values. Okay. Leave the middle value and take the average and accordingly go again with the plot. Okay. Suppose if I have the same problem, guys, if I have the same problem given to me, if I'm being asked to find moving averages for 3 and moving averages for 5, what is it that I'll do? Let me show it in this very same example. Okay, moving averages for 3, moving averages for 5. What do I do? Just see here. Yeah. So what will I do is, I will take the average of these 3 values first. Okay, what's that? 242 plus 250 plus 252. I will take by 3. So first value is open. Next, I will take the average of this 3 values, that is 250 plus 252 plus 249 by 3. Next, I will take the average of this 3, that is 252 plus 249 plus 253. Like that, I'll be taking the averages, the successive 3-year averages I'll be taking. Okay. That is for 3-year moving average. Suppose if it is 5-year moving average, what I will do is I will take the first 5 values. So first 2 will be blanks. First one would be blank, second one would be blank. Then third one would be 242 plus 250 plus 252 plus 249 plus 253 by 5. Okay. Next, how will it be? I'll show, and probably I think I can just stop here. You will get an idea. 250 plus 252 plus 249 plus 253 plus 255 by 5. I'll take like that, and accordingly I'll take. Again, last 2 values will be blanks. Here, last 1 value would be blank. Same thing again. I'll be going with the plot. I'll be taking the years here and the values here. Okay. Between every 3, I'll be plotting. Between every 3, I'll be plotting. Between every 3, I'll be plotting. Again, between every 3, I'll be plotting. So this would be my trend line. Actual line would be something like this. I'll be plotting the values and actual line would be something like this. Here, I'll just end this video. If there's anything else, I'll talk in the next video because it will become lengthy.